Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 1 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Training. So open the Excel Chapter 1 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete assignments or exams, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 1 hand-on exercise 2 simulation training. Click launch. Total questions 3. Enter the first markup amount formula C5 multiplied by D5 in cell E5 and click enter button. So select the cell E5 and press enter. Type is equal to and select the C5 multiplied by D5 and press enter and double click the E5 fill handle. Copy the markup amount formula through cell E10. So copy the formula and next use the semi selection to enter the first retail price formula C5 plus C5 in cell F5 and enter button. Select the cell F5. Type is equal to the C5 is cost plus E5 is markup and press enter and double click the F5 fill and retail price formula through F10. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, we move to the question number 2. Enter a first sale price formula F5 multiplied by 1 minus G5 in cell H5. Press Ctrl enter. Select the H5. Type is equal to and select the F5 retail price multiplied by 1 minus G5 and close enter and press enter and double click the H5 fill handle. Copy the cell formula. So double click and copy the formula and enter the first profit margin formula is equal to H5 minus C5 divided by H5 I5 and control enter. 5 type is equal to and close bracket in cell H5 minus C5 and divided by H5 and press enter and double click the cell I5 fill handle to copy the profit margin formula down through. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, we move to the question number 3. Display the cell formula. So go to the formula tabs, show formula and hide the formula and next type the 7.95 in cell C5. So select the C5 and 7.95 and press enter in cell D6 and 1.25 and press enter in cell G7 0.15 and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So upload the assignments and check the score. You can see the current score is 100% in Excel chapter 1 hand-on exercise 2 simulation training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.